Hello kuya, good afternoon. Nandito na po yung 10 commandments ko na since day one pa lang is na-apply ko na po ito sa sarili ko hanggang ngayon sa pag-giveaways mo po. At bilang certified online housemate, dapat po sundin ito ng lahat, hindi lang po ako. Una na po dito is be respectful, be honest, be true to yourself, show to the world the real you, be friendly, be creative, have patience, be smart, love each other, do not make fight to your co-online housemate, and do your task every day. Ang pinaka-importante po dito sa akin is itong top 3 ko is be respectful, be honest, be true to yourself, at dagdag na rin din dito yung show to the world